Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today, guys, we got one of the baddest watch faces you gotta check out in the Gear Manager store. The developer definitely removed the bar with this one. He goes by the name of Digital Sense. But let's go ahead, let's take a look at this watch face. The name of it is called Winsport. It's a very nice, colorful looking watch face. In the AOD mode, you will get a black and white theme, which is gonna make the watch face a more energy saving watch face. But once the watch face is on, I definitely like to blend the colors, blue and red together. Perfect. Now you're going to get an analog look and also digital, which means you get the best of both worlds. But I really like the way those analog hands are lighting up. It really brings out the watch face, and so does the second hand. It looks just as good. Now up at the top, you're going to get a compass, you're going to get your weather, and you're going to get the information on the weather. So if I tap here, I could change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. I thought that was pretty cool for a feature. And over here you get 24-hour time, but for those of you all who like 12, single tap and it's 12 hours, people, all day long. And it's going to say PM instead of 24 hours. I thought that was pretty cool. But right up under it, you are going to get your months and the days of the week. Now, this could have been a lot bigger to be more legible because you can barely see it, but it is not a deal breaker in my opinion. Down here, you're going to get your battery percentage, you're going to get the date, and also that 91 that you're looking at, that's telling you how much usage you have within the watch. And definitely, I am high. I got to get rid of some things. With that being said, check this out, right? If I tap right here, it brings up a compass, lets you know your wind direction, which is over in this area. And if you want to change this to miles per hour and change this to kilometers, you can. I thought this was definitely a nice look for a compass. And let's double tap to get out. And once you get out, we're going to go here, right? And this is not here. That's going to take us to our weather. It's going to give us our digital time, give us the humidity up at the top. I thought this was pretty cool. And your Fahrenheit weather down at the bottom. Definitely a great look for a watch face. Now, I told you the developer really did his thing. I have not seen anything like this before. So yes, 4 thumbs up for this guy. Now, you can customize the color with a double tap up at the top. And you can cycle through many different color themes that really makes the watch face pop. Choose the one that's gonna go with the outfit that you got on for that day, or just simply choose it for your favorite color. And you can cycle through several. You got quite a few to choose from. This isn't bad at all, an energy saving watch face look. This next one is my favorite. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section below. I really wanna know your thoughts on this awesome watch face. All right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button because it does help the channel. And if you wanna see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.